Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. So what do you do when your backyard is lower than the front and someone's installed a drain and they tell you that it's a French drain, but it doesn't work? Can you see when I cut the pipe, the backflow of water coming from the street back to this hole? So we do this almost every week. We're going to fix somebody else's install. And really the only way that we can fix this is to put a sump pump in and lift it up and send it out to the street.
It just goes nowhere. I mean, it was very well installed, but you've got to discharge to daylight, and that's really the whole problem here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and cut this, put a T on it. The line's in good shape, there's nothing in it, but we'll put a T on here. We'll attach it to our sump basin. When we get that installed, lift it up, we'll trench a new line with the 1.5 inches out to the street. So again, this was just solid pipe. This is not a French drain of what they had told this customer, but anyways, we're going to hook up a T here and we're going to discharge this line over to a sump basin over there. Perfect. I'm just going to point it up for a second, but once we finish trenching, we'll put this flat, have a downhill run over to that basin.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.